Hello and welcome to a wonderful summer sunny day in Jastarnia in northern Poland. And what I want to do here is I want to show you a camper van, not in a boring exhibition hall, but in real life, what it's like and what you can sort of go to. Look at that wonderful area in front of us, the views that you can have by being in the van. And also see there's other vans around us, also very nice. And I moved myself up there, I was here earlier. And anyway, fantastic environment, and this is the sort of thing that really should interest anybody in van life. This is the Chausson Premium V594, also Challenger. It's the two. It's on a Citroen base. They are Roadline, and let's have a look inside of it. Now, here's the way in. But as I go in, I just want to show you the way out as well. Look at that absolutely outstanding view here. This is the port. So anyway, let's now come into the van. And now this is the van of Justyna and Staszek. So I'm not going to be opening any drawers. You're just going to have to see the ones in the boring exhibition hall to get an idea. Now, okay, so you're here, you're making your breakfast, and you've got this view. This is the view. Isn't that outstanding? And anyway, so at the back, you've got your bedroom, obviously. You've got your fridges up here. You've got hanging space here if you need it. You've got these drawers, 3 large drawers down here, so that this comes out like that. And if you want to lock it, of course, you just press the thing in like that. So coming back, have a look here, around. And if you parked it the other way around, for example, not having that view in the morning, but you could have that view at night by leaving that open there. And just have a quick look in here. Oh, look at that, much tidier than mine. Now what they've done here, now I'm all in favour of duck boards, so I've noticed a number of people do this. They put a bit of lino down there, and I think actually I'm beginning to change my mind on this one. I think that might work better. I don't know, haven't tried it myself, so I'll try it myself and then I'll know better. But anyway, there we have it, the washroom. And okay, table has been extended, so it comes in 3 parts. You got 1, 2, and there's another one down there, 3. So you can make it even 1/3 extra. Also, it's even 50% extra, isn't it? Really, because it's the same one again. So the table can be made to be quite big. It's on a manual Citroen. I don't know what year this is. This one I didn't ask. I think it's a 2000. Oh, I'm stuck now. Is it 2019? I'm not certain. Anyway. Okay, right, they got the electrics up there. And once more, let's come out, see this fantastic view here of the port in Jastarnia. This is what a van life is all about. It's finding a place like this, staying there, you sleep here. In this case, it's even wild camping. This is free of charge, the parking here. But outstanding. Anyway, so if you find that of interest, I'll go and finish off with a overall look at the van. And so I do like to finish off with the van, although the view here is pretty good. Oops, sorry. And almost fell over then. Oh, I'll show you here as well. They put a bike rack up on this as well, so you got the full bike rack. And anyway, so here we are in Jastarnia, Poland. Thanks very much for watching. I'm going to see if I can get more videos of this type done to show you around. All the best.